up, YouTube, man? We back. I'm gonna take the Nova out today, take it to school. It's Monday morning. Take it to school today. Go to school, we pulling transmission, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. The Nova. Right here, man. I'm scared to get on it, man, because I just got it back from the trans shop. But since we gonna rebuild the trans next semester, I ain't gonna even worry about it. But it's running and it's driving decent. It feel a little different with that stall though. When it hit up to like 25 RPMs, it kick in, it just jerk in like that. So it's a little different than what I expected. But we gonna start it up. We're gonna head out to school. I'm gonna take y'all with me for a ride in this bad boy since I don't ever drive it. My schedule's so hectic these days. With work and school. Something out my truck, man. We out of here. Okay, y'all, we out. Close the garage, y'all. Y'all give me a second. She don't look too bad, y'all. Just need a new hood, paint job, and we ready to go. Y'all, I gotta do something with this rear end, man. It keep bottoming out on me, man. So I might have to put them air shocks back on there. I got them Viking shocks and they ain't doing no justice. Still need a little, I don't know. Can't burn. I ain't tried burning no rubber yet. But I gotta get my I gotta calibrate my miles per hour on here. It's something about that. Other than that, yeah, she's shifting good. I ain't got no complaints. Yeah. It's a lot of wires I gotta tuck, man. Yeah, man. Y'all here for the first time, like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. I appreciate those that have subscribed and been watching my videos. I appreciate it. Yeah, it definitely kicks in at that 2,500 RPM range. Yeah. But I like it, man. I ain't ready to drive it out of town yet. I ain't trusting it yet. I ain't trying to get this motherfucker towed. This motherfucker get down, boy. Motherfucker get down. Yeah, we pulling the trans at in school today. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working on. Then next semester, we're gonna pull this trans. I'm gonna pull it apart, rebuild it, then put it on a dyno. We got a dyno, a transmission dyno at school. What up, man? You like the car? Got a transmission dyno at school. Yeah, this motherfucker fast. Woo. It's foggy out here, y'all. I gotta get these back brakes done. I mean, not back brakes, but shocks. I don't want to be bottoming out and shit. Brand new shocks that I put on this motherfucker. Passed up and stop. We bag up, y'all. Couldn't stop. Y'all. Damn, I got water all on it. That's it, man. I'm gonna find some way to tuck them damn wires up underneath there. I just ain't had time to fool with this damn thing lately. But we gonna get it all done. Let me show you how it look with the lights and shit on. third brake light. Signal. I don't know if y'all can see that up there. Right, better at night. But yeah, I wired up everything in this car, man. She run good. Got some rub back here. I ain't worried about it. I can get some brand new tires. It still got meat on them motherfuckers. A hood, I'm thinking about just buying a new scoop to put right here and cover that up. That way I ain't gotta buy a whole new hood. Just get the body shop to do it. Whatever's cheaper. What up? All right, y'all, we finna go in class, man. I hit y'all back, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.